In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete SHEIN order history. Before we dive in, it's important to set expectations clearly. SHEIN does not allow permanent deletion of order history. Your orders are stored in their system for records and compliance, so what you can do is manage how those orders appear in your account, not erase them from SHEIN's servers. Start by opening the SHEIN app on your phone, or visit the website in your browser. Once you're in, head to the section labeled Me or Profile. This is your account hub where all your activity lives. From there, tap or click on My Orders. You'll see a list of every order associated with your account, including delivered and processing items. Select the order you want to manage. Depending on your region, device, and app version, you may see different visibility controls. Look for options like Archive, Hide, or Delete. These may appear on the order detail screen, under a More menu, or behind a three-dot icon. If you see Archive, choosing it will move the order out of your main view into an archived area, which helps keep your active list clean without removing the record. If you see Hide, it simply removes the order from the default list you see, making it less visible in everyday browsing. Some versions also show Delete, but this is typically a view-only removal. In other words, it deletes the entry from your visible list, not from SHEIN's database. The order can still exist in your account records and may reappear in certain contexts like returns, invoices, or support chats. If you don't see any of these options for a specific order, it usually means that visibility controls aren't available for that order type or in your current app or site experience. This can vary by country and updates, so don't be surprised if your screen looks a little different from someone else's. A quick note on what these options do not do. Archiving, hiding, or deleting from view won't remove the order from SHEIN's internal records, transaction history, or any legally required logs. If you rely on invoices or need proof of purchase, consider saving your receipts before you hide or archive an order so you can access them easily later. To recap, you can't permanently delete SHEIN order history, but you can tidy up what you see by archiving, hiding, or using the Delete from View option when available. Use these tools to keep your order list organized while understanding that the underlying records remain on file.